Someday, God forbid, the sirens atop key buildings in our major cities may sound in earnest, not as a test alert. If that terrible day ever comes, let's pray that the sirens give us the warning in time. At companies like Federal Sign and Signal Corporation, there are men and women devoted to the job of making sure that we do learn about approaching danger in time. They are the people who make, for ambulances, police cars, fire engines and rooftops, the lights and horns and sirens that spread the word. Big or small, their products all have the same purpose, telling everyone to look out. Here, one of the smaller rotors or choppers is tested for balance. A siren makes noise when its cutter blades chop through the air. The higher the speed of the blades, the higher the pitch. The company does everything possible to hold down noise in the place, but in spite of that, no one here has any doubt that he's working in a siren factory. Will be powered by a 10-horsepower electric motor. An automatic timer causes the siren to give out the different kinds of signals specified by civil defense authorities. 3 minutes of undulating up and down the scale for attack, and a 1-minute continuous blast repeated 3 times for all clear. A horn-like projector concentrates the sound waves in a directional beam, making the siren audible at great distances. The speed at which the projector rotates is adjustable. A double-walled, heavily insulated test chamber is used to try out each completed unit. But such a blast of noise is generated that plenty of sound still leaks through.
Before you go to bed?
Ah!
Come on, let me cut you a brownie while they're still hot.
Dad, I'm kind of edgy right now. I'd appreciate you not coming in my room screaming and brandishing a butcher knife.
Why? Oh, right. The Sideshow Bob thing. Oh, I'm sorry, boy. Bart, do you want to see my new chainsaw and hockey mask? Oh, sorry. What am I thinking?
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado emergency for your location until 8 p.m. The Doppler radar has indicated strong tornado winds headed to location counties affected: Bryan, Atoka, Johnston, Murray, Garvin, Grady, McLean, and Canadian County. Most death and injuries are mostly caused by debris. Do not wait to hear the tornado, as it could easily blend with the night, making it harder to see. Mobile home will be immediately destroyed. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado emergency for the following counties: Bryan, Atoka, Johnston, Murray, Garvin, Grady, McLean, and Canadian County until 8:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This severe storm started in Dallas and is heading towards Bryan, Atoka, Johnston, Murray, Garvin, Grady, McLean, and Canadian County. Seek shelter immediately. Do not wait until you hear or see the tornado. The tornado is thought to be 700 miles per hour. Mobile homes will be destroyed.